Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 10 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, part 10 of 10. People were running to the lifeboats. Blank, the ship's band continued to play music. Meanwhile, indeed, if the Titanic was called unsinkable blank, it was the largest ship of its time. Indeed, unless, meanwhile, everyone believed the ship was safe. Blank, it had a terrible accident. In fact, if, unless Jack told Rose she must live, blank she wanted to be with him forever. Unless, indeed, in fact, Rose felt she would be unhappy blank she married Cal, if, unless, meanwhile. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, part 10 of 10. People were running to the lifeboats. Meanwhile, the ship's band continued to play music. Reason, meanwhile shows two actions happening together. The Titanic was called unsinkable. Indeed, it was the largest ship of its time. Reason, indeed is used to emphasize or confirm a statement. Everyone believed the ship was safe. In fact, it had a terrible accident. Reason, in fact is used to add emphasis correct information. Jack told Rose she must live, unless she wanted to be with him forever. Reason, unless shows a condition that prevents something. Rose felt she would be unhappy if she married Cal. Reason, if introduces a condition. Like, comment and subscribe.